My Hoover fridge freezer is making loud noises.
Can you guesstimate how old your Hoover is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Maximum 3.5 years Hoover HNC 6185W.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
What do I do?
One moment, please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me. What noise is it making? A loud buzzing?
Loud buzzing.
That probably is coming from the fan in the freezer. The fan blade may be hitting the housing or possibly ice. The blade is just pressed on the shaft, so over time they can work their way off and hit the housing. You will have to remove the back panel in the freezer to get to the fan to check it out. That is one of the only things typically that will cause a fast loud buzzing noise. Also, this does not close the question out, and you can come back anytime for free right here to me. Happy holidays.
How do I remove the back panel?
Just remove the items in the freezer and you should see a couple screws out remove and it will just pull off.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.